One door. Lots of people around, but only some of them should enter. Controlling access in a space open to many can quickly turn into a numbers game. Like here, when you want to share one key for one room with a whole team. Plan for a lot of planning. This one is urgent. You want to give controlled access to strangers. Might end up in endless workarounds, but no peace of mind. Or enabling entrance to one space for many in parallel. Soon, you've got more keys than you can count and less money than you'd like. Do the sums now and make controlling access the right numbers game. With 4 digits that reduce stress to a minimum. Code Handle from ASSA ABLOY upgrades your door with a digital PIN code. 2 screws, 1 minute, 0 wiring. And you're controlling access with security and convenience. Choose the right number. Choose PIN security with Code Handle from ASSA ABLOY.